every time I have a funds. So don't waste it. Put it in our savings bank. See, it's going too much. Before I can very easy to take. Now it's a little bit heavy. See, do you remember? I always found money in the market, in the ground. So this is it. You see, there's a little bit a lot. You see, but sometimes in Sunday, our holiday, I have a little like this, so I just put here. But some here is from the market, you see. You see, very dark from the market. Some little by little, it's getting too much, and a lot of here. Here, save the money. Don't wasting money. But next time, if you don't have money, you can take this one. Better to save. Than to spend always. Okay, spend important things. If not very important, don't buy, especially the you need to save money because the gasoline is getting to higher price.